Hello guys, you're welcome to Forex Success. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I doubled my account trading volatility 10 index with this powerful strategy. So guys, stay tuned to this video and watch it from the start to the finish. Don't skip any part. So before we get started, hit that like button and turn on the bell notification. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button right now, guys, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new strategy, a new video. Okay, so guys, let's dive into it. So using the strategy, I decided to trade on a small account as small as $10. I doubled the account with this strategy. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how I did that. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video. Let's roll. Okay guys, you can see I took the trade on volatility 10 index. I sold it, which it's currently on profit. So it's currently on profit and I'm keeping the trade for some time till it gets to my take profit level. Okay, for you to get the strategy on and how to set the indicators for the vix10 index strategy, you click on the link at the description below. The video is at the description below, so just click on the link and watch it. You see there labeled volatility 10 index strategy, so you watch it. So right now I'm going to be opening another position for this trade. Okay, yeah, so guys, what I did was that I checked out the 15-minute time frame, checked out the daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame. That is for the price action. It was giving me a sell signal. Yeah, that is price action. 4 hours was telling me this market is about to sell. So I was looking at it to go down to this support level. Okay, so checking the 15-minute time frame, seeing the green moving average crossing above the chart, and the green line, this green line at the indicator window one was at the overbought level. That indicates a sell. So I placed a sell as soon as those two conditions was met. Look at this point again. The green moving average cross above the chart and the green line, it's at the overbought level. It's a sell. So seeing these two conditions, guys, I placed a sell. You can see I opened 3 positions, which I later closed 2 of them and leaving 1 to hold on to because the account was small. Okay, so look, I closed those other ones on profit and this one it's still currently running. Guys, look, on profit. So as soon as it crossed above, I placed a sell using this powerful strategy. So guys, you can see the trade is still ongoing and it is still on profit. Look, this is my entry. As soon as I saw this moving average crossed above the chart, as you can see, the moving average crossed above the chart, and at the overbought level, I entered this market and then it sold. This is supposed to be my take profit, which is as soon as it got to the midpoint, which is the 50 level. But I did not take profit. I'm supposed to take profit. This is my advisable take profit, guys. But I left this market, but I secured my entry. I make my stop loss to be at my entry level so I won't risk any of my funds. You get that, guys? So this is a sign that this market is also selling after giving us this candlestick pattern, which indicates a reversal. So this candlestick pattern indicates a reversal, same as this. You can see this candlestick pattern indicates a reversal, and look, it's a fin bar, so it indicates a reversal. Same as this, it indicates a reversal. So for the 15-minute time frame, it's still selling, but I've secured my position. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move my stop loss down to this point. Guys, I'm showing you this strategy. I'm going to move my stop loss to this point, which is the 6105.4. Yeah, you can see the trade, guys. The 6105.4. Modify. So my stop loss has been adjusted, guys, to this point. So I'm keeping this trade. Why am I keeping this trade? Remember, guys, I told you that my entry from the 15-minute time frame, I entered this trade. Yeah, from the 15-minute time frame, I entered the trade. So this strategy, you can use it for 5 and 15-minute time frame. 5 and 15-minute time frame only. 5 and 15-minute time frame. Look, guys, for the 5-minute time frame, it crossed above. I entered. So smaller time frame will give you early entries. 5 and 15-minute time frame. Smaller time frame will give you early entries. So this is 30-minute time frame. You can see for 30-minute time frame, this should have been your entry as it crossed above. But for 15 minutes time frame, this was my entry. You can see for 15-minute time frame, this was my entry. But 5 minutes, this should have been my entry. You can see the differences, guys. So bigger time frame gives you later entry. Okay, 1 hour, it's also adjusting to the strategy. The 15-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame crossed above, and the 30-minute time frame, it's also in support with the strategy. It's also in agreement with the strategy. The 1 hour time frame, the 4 hours time frame, you can see it just crossed above. So I'm expecting this market to reach this point. This is where I'm expecting it to reach. But if it hit my stop loss, okay, then I'm out of the market. But if it continues coming down, this will be my take profit at this support level. That will be my take profit. So that's how you trade these things, guys. This is volatility 10 index strategy, guys. For volatility 10 index, it's a very, very powerful strategy. Yeah, very powerful strategy for volatility 10 index. So guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Start back testing this strategy and start using it to make money for yourself. So I created this video to show you how the strategy works. So all you need is a perfect entry in the sense that the red moving average cross the blue moving average cross above, and this should be at the overbought level. You can see this green line should be at the overbought level. Then you sell at the overbought level. You sell at the overbought level, and this cross above, and this at the overbought, this green line at the overbought level. Then you sell. If you want to buy, you wait for this blue moving average to cross below. You buy at the oversold level. You buy. You can see that, guys. Very powerful strategy. Very powerful strategy. It works. The blue moving average crosses below at the green line at the oversold level. You buy. You can see that it crosses above. The blue line crosses above the chart, and the green moving average at the overbought level. You sell. As simple as that, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it. Powerful strategy. Crosses above. If it crosses above and you check it, you confirm it at the overbought level, you say it's always working, guys. It's always working. Look, okay, at this point it crossed below, right? But it wasn't at the overbought level. It wasn't at the overbought level, so you don't enter. You enter only short signals. Look at this. It crossed above, but it wasn't at the overbought level, so you don't enter. Look at this. It crossed above and at the overbought, so you enter. You make some profit for yourself. That's it, guys. You make on the market. Enjoy some profit for yourself. So when the trade is moving on your direction, you move your stop loss to your entry, so you won't have to lose anything, because trading is not all about making profit. It's all about protecting your capital. It's all about not losing money. It's not all about making profit, guys. It's not all about making profit. So guys, for you to watch this the strategy, to know how to set the strategy, click on the next video right now, so you can see the settings of the strategy. So this video was just meant to show you this strategy live and how it works. Yeah, it was meant, I did this video just to show you that the strategy works exactly. So this is a small account that I decided to just test the strategy on. So you can see the trade I took yesterday for the strategy, using the strategy. So that's it, guys. That's it. So this was a $10 account yesterday, and I doubled it with this strategy. So that's it, guys. So keep on using this strategy. To watch the full video, the link is at the description. So scroll down to the description, and then you see the link for the video, which will show you how to set the indicators and the parameters for the strategy. It's a very powerful strategy. So click on that link, go to the description and click on the link now to know how to set the indicators for this strategy. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new strategy, guys. So you'll be notified. And then if you don't have a Deriv account, make sure to click on the link and open a Deriv account. If you want to trade currency, click on the link and create an account, guys, so you can start trading and start making money for yourself. So thanks for watching this, guys. Thanks for watching the video and have a good day. This Forex success, you're welcome. It's still moving in the profit. Look, so we're on $11 profit right now, moving in profit.